Hello friends, I am Aditya, studying in class +1 and preparing for my physics at Science Kaari.
Because I want to score good marks in science and will be able to do that because Abhishek sir provides great explanations, explains all the topics in depth with the help of animated videos and
After joining Science Kaari, I scored very well in my science exams, that is 74 out of 80. The way of teaching of sir and ma'am both is very good, that are all doubts are clear.
Currently, I am studying science here. This place is an excellent choice for coaching. My teacher here is Ina ma'am. She is very caring and provides a feeling of comfort.
I think joining Science Kaari was my best decision. After joining Science Kaari, I am scoring good marks.
But after getting enrolled in Science Kaari, I started feeling better about studies and progress in studies are visible. Here Abhishek sir is friendly in nature and has maintained a friendly as well as healthy environment for studies.
Ma'am teaches us so well and provides us notes. Weekly tests are also there.
But now I found physics easier than ever because of the concepts which are taught here are in interesting and a easier manner.
Special attention are given to all the students, and here you will get the facilities like proper notes, test papers, sample papers according to the latest CBSE pattern.
See, I have been studying in Science Kaari for 2.5 years. Earlier, my physics was not so strong, but now I have full confidence in my physics.
If we are left with any doubts, then backup classes and doubt sessions are provided so that no doubts are left with us.
He will teach you like a friend, and he teaches the concept in very much understanding way to each and every student.
So I would recommend you to join Science Kaari.
You can join Science Kaari.
Join Science Kaari. Join Science Kaari.
Join Science Kaari.
Join Science Kaari.
Join the Science Kaari.
To join Science Kaari.
Join Science Kaari.
Join Science Kaari.
And get good marks in your exams. So I will recommend you to join Science Kaari.